Hi folks, it's Paul here. Just arrived at work a little bit early, so I thought I'd do a quick review in the car. I'm going to do a review of Pipe Sauce Grandad's Cough Mixture. Picked this up from Liberty Flights. It is at least 95% VG according to the website. And this is the 0% nicotine. I've got it just in a 306 Atty with a drip tip on a Little Ego 650. Let's give it a vape. Absolutely bucket loads of vapour, but that's kind of to be expected from something that's nearly 100% VG. The flavour on this is, to me, just absolutely amazing. I love it. When I first got it, the first thing I did was give it a sniff, and it really reminds me. I remember when I was a bit younger, my mum used to have a terrible cough for months and months and months, and she used to have these. I think they were called Hill's Balsams. They're just like a cough drop, and this smells exactly like they did. It smells like they used to taste, if that makes sense. But the taste of this tastes exactly like cough candy to me. If you've ever had that, really nice, spicy, aniseedy flavour, almost a bitterness on the back of the tongue, but it's got a nice kind of sweetness as well. Oh. The flavour really fills your mouth. You can still taste it for a long time after. It's really, really delicious. It seems to last for ages. I put 3 drops in, and I've been vaping away for what seemed like an age on this. And I've been vaping on this all day. I can't put it down. And yeah, every time I put a few more drops in, it seems to last for ages. Whether that's something to do with it being such a high percentage of VG, I don't know. But that's quite nice. I'm not getting through it too quickly. I thought as soon as I started vaping this, I knew I wouldn't put it down, and I thought I'd get through the 10ml bottle within a couple of days, but probably about a quarter of the way through. I've got another one of their juices to try, and that's I think it's called Sweet Georgia Peach. I have actually vaped on it, and I'm really enjoying that as well. So I'm going to do another review on that. Hopefully I'll get that up tomorrow. But yeah, check out the Pipe Sauce, I believe they're called. Liberty Flights have got them in. They're all based on tobacco flavours, or all on a tobacco base with flavour on top of that. I can't taste any tobacco in this. I've seen a couple of other reviews and people have said that they can taste the tobacco. I can't with this at all. I just get that really nice cough drop flavour. I think it's going to be one of those love-hate juices. I think you either like cough drops or you don't. Cough candy, or you don't. I really like that flavour, always have done. I remember getting them in bags by the quarter from the sweet shop by my school when I was younger. And this really takes me back there. It really reminds me of that flavour. Anyway, that's it folks. Grandpa's cough medicine from E-Pipes Pipe Sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye.